Now in last class we have seen the classification of living organism and Whitaker's 5 kingdom classification system. Now see, while doing the classification, Whitaker has kept criteria in front of him. In the same way, as we go for outing, we plan to go for 7 days, then how many bags we have to carry with us, then we plan to pack the bags from before 2-3 days. In the same way, when he classify the living organism, he have to think of base. So this base or this basis is called as criteria. Now first point in criteria is complexity of cell structure. Complexity of cell structure. What is the meaning of this heading? Now complexity of cell structure means whether the cell is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Now I have told the meaning of these words. Okay. Number 2, complexity of the complexity of organism, whether the animal is organism is unicellular or multicellular. Then he thought about mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition means the way of food ingestion. If plants are there, then plants are autotrophic as they perform photosynthesis. If animals are there, they are heterotrophic as they do not perform photosynthesis. And if fungi are there or funguses are there, they are saprophytic as they absorb food from dead or decay material or organism. Okay, this was the third base. Fourth base was lifestyle. Now, in the same way again, if plants are there as they perform photosynthesis and produce food for all of us, they are called producers. If animals are there, as they consume food, ready food from plants, they are called consumers. And as fungi decompose the dead material, so they are called as decomposers. Decomposing means while growing or absorbing food from the decay or dead organism, it decomposes that organism into small particles. So they are called as decomposer. In the criteria is phylogenetic relationship, means Whitaker has done the classification very properly. He has started the classification from prokaryotic unicellular organism first, then he went to eukaryotic. He has not jumped to multicellular eukaryotic organism firstly. So in phylogenetic relationship, he had started the study from prokaryotes to eukaryotes, and then he went to unicellular, from unicellular to multicellular. Now see, properly he started the classification from prokaryotes. Under the prokaryotes, he has kept the heading or the organism which are unicellular. We have studied this in that classification chart. Now, after this lesson, we will see the characteristic of each and every living organism which are coming under that classification chart, that is kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. All the organism, those who are coming to the particular kingdom, we will start the classification of them from next period. So keep watching the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell for next class.